Welcome to Integrative Essence Therapy. Over the last 2 weeks, we summarized how high-functioning individuals' adaptability results in isolation in relationships and masking of burnout at work. Today, to close this part of the series, we look at the broader social cost of high-functioning adaptability. First of all, as a high-functioning person, who's very often showing up in the world as having everything put together, being able to do and achieve everything necessary, including maybe especially in high pressure situations, you are inadvertently training, educating your community, whether it's your friends, colleagues, or broader community, to learn that you never need help. And so even in the moments where you actually may need help, people will not be inclined to offer it because they've been taught that you never require anything. Second, we explored how your adaptability in social circles often comes at the expense of your own needs. When you want to be low maintenance for others and therefore tune into their needs and use your skills, your competence, your resilience to meet those needs, you are invariably forfeiting your own needs. And the repeated practice, therefore, over time, could lead to you losing access to your needs altogether. And finally, we explored the loneliness that emerges from being a high-functioning individual in social circles, because while the people around you may welcome you and praise you and respect you and value you for your competencies and abilities, they're not really being given access to your essence, and therefore they're not really connecting with the true human being sitting within the functionality, and therefore resulting in a deep sense of loneliness, very often even when you are surrounded by many people. And so, in a nutshell, the cost that the high-functioning individual pays for being part of social circles through their function is that the community knows and praises you for your utility, but the truth is they may not know your reality. And so my reflection for you this week is the following. If you feel the sense of isolation, when you experience those moments of loneliness, ask yourself, in what way am I keeping myself invisible, especially to those nearest to me? And you'll find that if you begin to lower some of those barriers with a few safe individuals in your life, you'll begin to also feel more connected and more satisfied with your interactions with others. Next week, we will begin the journey of exploring the principles and concepts and tools of IET, which will be useful for both you, if you are a high-functioning person, and the therapists who may be working with high-functioning individuals looking for new ideas, tools, and concepts to help them. Until next week.